Hello and welcome back everybody to the Geek Tech Show. And in case you missed this, guess what's back? Oh yes. I know you guys hate this, but it is like back. It's back. The glasses. Just maybe for this episode. Love those looks. And those are the Oakley glasses in case you don't know what it is. Welcome back to the Geek Tech Show everybody. And today's episode we're going to be checking out throwback to the 1980s. Yes. And we got this, the Game & Watch. Oh my, the smell of the 80s. Ronald Reagan is president. We got the space shuttle in the Game & Watch. This is so small. Wow. Wow. Upside down. Wow. The great thing about this is the ingenuity of this. One press button. And it's on. This is beyond cool. Rechargeable USB. No longer need a small micro batteries for it. Guess what I have right here? This is the original Game & Watch system. This one is the greenhouse version of this. And you know, they had 3 different versions. There was Mickey and Donald, Donkey Kong, Oil Panic, actually 4 different versions of this thing. The coolest one was Donkey Kong. If it comes up again, Donkey Kong, I'm buying it. I'm not even waiting a second. I'm gonna just press and buy it now. So the old version of it was like this small. Here this small little filthy box, it looks like this. It's too white here, hard to show you. But there was like 2 different small micro batteries that came with this. The most annoying factor of this thing was the following. It uses those non-standard 2 miniature batteries to do this. And they ran out very fast. It wasn't rechargeable. This was made 1982. Made quality in Japan. One of the first Nintendo things that they ever created. This was before Game Boy Advance. Unfortunately, I ran out of batteries too. So I can't actually turn this on and just show you how this actually looks like. But rest assured, this thing works. It's in mint condition. It is beautiful. The Game & Watch system used to be the smallest and the coolest thing that you can actually get on your hands. And now the video is going to be doing the rest of the whole entire thing, which is unpacking, unboxing, and showing you this up close and personal, even trying to play this little game. Right now, this is the item you have to get for the holidays because it's going to get sold out. And if it does, there is just no way you can get any more of those because Nintendo does limited edition versions. And because of that, because they do limited edition versions, as soon as it gets sold out, the price is going to go right through the roof. In fact, it's already sold out everywhere. And I'm lucky enough to have one of those. Let's go ahead and find out how good this actually is and if it gets the thumbs up or not at the end of the video. Brand new for the year 2020, Game & Watch Super Mario Bros. Right here on my hand, I got it. Now, this is versus the previous version that they actually created. This was like such a long time ago. The Game & Watch, multi-screen, and you can get this one. There's going to be a link right down below where you can get this exact mint version. had this since I was a kid. So opening this up, I know you've been waiting for the other one, but I wanted to show you the retro first. And it comes with this booklet, but the most important is just the size of this and the beauty and the simplicity of the retro version of the greenhouse. Now that you have seen it, time to check out and unpack the new one. It comes in this weird box here. You have to actually cut this open in order to get in here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yes, this is so cool. You see how I actually did this? The screen just disappeared and you can see the actual game and watch here. Look how tiny and simple and small this is. What a beauty. And, interestingly enough, looks like it is double sealed or something like that. Maybe not sure. Okay. Was able to pierce it open. Opening it first time. We got the charger cable. Retro booklet, kind of retro. In the game, oh man, this is so tiny. It's right in here. Wow. Looks so retro. But there is such a big difference between them. See, the power cable is right here. When you press on this, it turns it on. It's already charged. And instead of using the batteries that the previous one actually used, this one is all about USB charger, which is actually a good thing because those batteries are kind of hard to get. And in terms of size, they're almost identical. This is actually the 2-screen version, so pretty much the retro one, and I don't have the mini one, didn't have it. You can see this one had 2 different batteries in here that you just put this in, and those things were expensive back then. You had to keep on switching them. Every time they finished, you had to get them. So I don't have the batteries anymore for this one. But they're easy to buy and get, because every time I played this, I used up the batteries and you have to get new ones. Now on the other hand, this is just so cool. Look at the small size of this thing, and you no longer need the batteries for this at all. Just go ahead, plug this in, turn the power button, and you can play. Play some game here. Well, oh, I'm so used to the touch screen. I'm trying to like press here, and no, this is not touch screen friendly. Let's just press on time here. Got the time. Pause here. See the battery power there, and we can actually pick the games we want to play here. We have Super Mario Bros. 1, Super Mario Bros. 2, the ball game, and that's it. We have only 3 games here. Press on the game, pick the game you want, and press on A. And you can start playing 1 player, 2 player. How can you play 2 player? I have no idea. 1 player. And play. And that was fast death right there. So let's see, number 2. Okay, let's get started. Yep. Come on, jump faster. Okay. Man, I forgot how to play this game. I can't get up though. Yep. Alright. Man, this game sucks. Okay. Faster, faster. There we go. Yes. I forgot how frustrated I used to be playing this thing before. Hoo-hoo. You know what? I'm gonna win this game by cheating, just stoning it off. Here we go, game over. Now, my thoughts about this thing: slim size, it's a beauty, it's small, and the best thing about this, it comes with a charging cable, and you no longer need those batteries that I was telling you about. I hate the batteries. I really think it is a great deal. It's going to be a collector's item. I would just get this because it's going to be a collector's item. I would not... I think the screen is a little too small for it. But overall, this is a pretty great game. And there was not much that they could have done to make it even better. Except maybe add a few extra games or Donkey Kong. I can't wait until they make that version. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and give this a thumbs up because I love this game. And see you in the next video. Well, you made it all the way to the end. And if you did enjoy the Geek Tech Show, make sure you go ahead and sub to this channel. Lots of cool videos over here, and you just never know which is the next video that's coming up on this show. It's time to lose the sunglasses and get super serious. So, what do I give this to this little micro thing right here? Well, quality-wise, construction-wise, and being a USB charger, this thing gets almost a perfect 10 out of 10 stars. What is the issue of it? Well, the price is great. This is great. There's only one specific problem, and it has nothing to do with this Game Boy Advance. What is it? They didn't make a Donkey Kong version. That is my only issue with this, pretty much. If you can get your hands on it for $50, this is a screaming buy. It is a perfect 10-star rating, plus recommendation, and hopefully you get yours today, because soon it's going to get sold out and you won't be able to get any of those anymore, because this is a limited edition one. It is a collector's version. Collect this right now, before everyone else gets it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy another episode of the Geek Tech Show, and if you did, make sure you smash and destroy the thumbs up button right down there, actually. If you did enjoy this show and you want to post and ask me any question, well, most of the time I do respond to them, post them right down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show, where you never know what is the next video that's coming up on this channel.